This is a crazy Wi-Fi access point extender that you can install for your house. If you have a big house, this is it. Looking at the speed, it's just crazy fast, okay? If you have a small house, don't bother. This is just overkill. But this is intended for big house, mansions, big businesses like restaurants. This is it. It has both 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Most likely you're seeing the crazy fast speed because we're on 5 gigahertz right now. Inside the box, there's a quick start. Plenty of tools, hardware included for you to get started. Here's the mounts that you will be using to mount it to the ceiling. More mounts. I can't believe they even include anchors. These are powered by Power over Ethernet, PoE, and we'll need a PoE switch. Coincidentally, this is the one I got from Ubiquiti as well. You can buy whatever PoE switch you want. From the PoE switch, we're going to need to run it to your router. Here we're just using a simple router from TP-Link, nothing fancy. This installation is actually not for my house. This is actually for a client. If you want to install for a house, all you have to do is download this app first, download and install it and open it. UniFi Network app. Be sure you have location turned on as well as being connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the router that you're on. So in my case, it's the TP-Link router. It will ask you for an account, so create an account and log in with that account. Click on the plus icon in the upper right hand corner to start the discovery process. Or it automatically finds the access point already. In that case, just click on it and then begin the adding process. Name the SSID of that access point. And then set the password for that access point. It takes about 2 minutes for the app to configure your new access point from Ubiquiti. And that's it. Pretty easy, right? From the software point perspective. You'll be done within 10 minutes. It's crazy how fast you can set this access point up. Just for fun, let's test the speed one more time. .310 megabit per second. I'm paying Verizon Fios for 300 megabit per second. So this is crazy fast, okay? Let's take a look at the app one more time. When you click on the access point, it will give you a bunch of options. It will let you know how many clients are connected to it. It will tell you how much power it's transmitting. You can disable the LEDs if you want. You can disable 2.4 or disable 5 gigahertz altogether. I didn't touch anything at all. I just left everything at default because everything's working fine. I really like these Ubiquiti and would love to install in my house, but sadly my house does not have Cat 5, Cat 6 all over the place. If you do, definitely install these. It's worth your time and money. So for now, I have these Eero mesh Wi-Fi system and they work just as well. They don't have a lot of options as these Ubiquiti, but I would say Eero is perfectly fine for 99% of the normal people. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel and thanks for watching.